Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up Infinite Google Reviews app manually. So let's get started. First of all, you have to enable this app in your theme editor. So click on Activate, then on Activate Extension. You have to enable this app in your app embeds, activate it, and then you have to click on Save. Coming back to the app, you can see the app is activated because the banner is removed from here. Now you can see there are two options, sign in with Google or add business. In the previous video, we discussed how to sign in with Google, and in this video, we will discuss the second method, add business, that is manual. Let's type any keyword here and then let's save this business. Now the app will fetch all the reviews of this business. You can see all the reviews are being fetched here. Now you have to integrate widgets into your storefront to show all the reviews there. So you have to click on Create Widget. It will directly take you to your Shopify theme editor. You can see I'm in my theme editor now. Here you have to add section and you can add it anywhere you want. Now let's add the header and grid block in it. And it's just for an example. You can add whatever you require. The controller of these blocks appears here on the right side, and you can see all these options and you can adjust them according to your requirements. Now, for example, I'm changing the color of the stars. You can see the color is changed now. Now, let's visit the online store and check whether these reviews are visible there or not. You can see all the reviews are here now. So this video was all about setting up Infinite Google Reviews app manually. I hope now you have got the idea of how to do it. So this was all about Infinite Google Reviews app. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thanks for watching this video.